Hello friends, welcome back to Resinween. I'm so excited. Day 2, possibly. Maybe day 1, depends on whenever I upload it, I suppose. Anyway, I pulled out the beautiful oval cabochon molds. This one that I showed last week. Anyway, I had a couple ideas. I want to take like this part of the skeleton and put it in the mold as sort of a creepy, dang it, I had this issue last time too. Cameo, that's the word, a creepy cameo. And then I also have some of these glitter spider pieces, and they're not going to completely fit in, but I think the majority of it could possibly. So I'm thinking that I want to try maybe trim down the legs or something and get that in as well. So I'm going to fill these most of the way with clear, put the things in, right? And then let that cure, and then I'll come back and do some kind of backing on it, probably with a frame, just to get that height to it. And then the last thing that I think I want to put in here, some of you, you know, these are fake spiders, right? Some of you might not be okay with me showing this, so if you have an issue with bugs, maybe don't look. But outside our house, on our back porch, was this gorgeous jeweled beetle. So the back is a beautiful flocked texture green. It was very much dead when I found it, and I found this in like July. But if you turn it over, it's like a metallic on the underside. Isn't that awesome? And yes, it was real. A wasp probably, I guess, came along and ate its head and sucked out its insides. Sorry if that's graphic, but it is Halloween after all. So I was thinking about putting this into a cabochon as well. I just think it would be so freaking spooky and cool. And yeah, for this one I am going to try and seal this neck hole. Oh, that's so, I know it's gross, but I'm trying to be anatomically correct here. This is where its head would have gone. I want to close this up so that resin doesn't get in and cause like a huge bubble. So I'm going to use some UV resin for that, but let me go ahead and I'm going to trim this and this down. We're going to seal this, mix up our resin, pour the clear in, get this stuff in, and then come back and do the backing. Okay? Alright, I'm excited. Let's go, y'all. Let's go, girl. Okay, friends, so this has cured. It's looking pretty cool so far. Clearly I couldn't get the entire skeleton in. So, the plans are to finish these off. These 3 are going to have black backings, but this one I want to continue with the clear, specifically because the metallic part of the beetle is on this side, and so I wanted you to be able to see that. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna get these little drippings out from like around the edges, and then we're gonna mix up more resin and we're gonna pour it in, and I'm so excited to see how these turn out, you guys. I just can't wait. Okay, let's go. It's bonus unmolding time. Yeah. Bonus unmolding. Here's the brother to the one that I did on Thursday. I didn't fill this one up all the way because I don't know if you guys noticed, but I certainly did. The other one had like this extra little bit. So I'm hoping that this one, the bottom of it, looks a little bit better than the other one. Again, this is 2-part. Oh my goodness, he's so cute. Do I like the two-tone? No, not really. Also, I will be doing these as actual projects later. But you know me, I don't like to waste resin, so that's what we get. I'm going to do the same thing to him, fill in his eyes and all that, but I'll do that off camera because last time it took me 3 minutes. Anyway, he's very cute. Alright, back to the regular show. Alright, friends. I'm so excited. I mean, we can already see it, so let's go ahead and take this one out. Oh, cool. Wow. I'm a little sad that he's kind of, you know, he's just crooked. He's crooked. The lights are just bouncing right off of him, but you can still see the metallic of his undersides. Very cool. Oh, I love that. Okay. Oh, cool. Okay. So let's see. Let's get the rest of these babies out of here. Oh my goodness, why is this so hard? Oh, there we go. Oh. Because I did a black back, you can't really see him. Duh, Megan, why did you do that? Oh, I'm an idiot. Megan, you can't put a black spider on a black background and expect to see the black spider. Oh, God. It's cool. It just reminds me of the skull with the black brain in it and the black goo. You couldn't see the brain at all. That's really cool looking. Wow. That's cool. These are so cool. Oh, I love it. I love it. Little rib cage action for you. Yeah, I think these two are probably my favorite. With this one being a very close third. Let's just forget this one was even born, okay? Those are so cool. Wow. What do you guys think? Which one is your favorite? Let me know. Comment down below. I still can't believe that I did that. Let me see. I have my phone on me. Let me see something real quick. Real quick. Let me see. There we go. Now you can see him. Now you can see him in there. Very cool. Alright. Anyway, that's today's video. I love these. I really do. Let me know what you guys would put in these. I don't know. I'm absolutely just chuffed, as my British people would say. Anyway, that's today's video. If you enjoyed it, please let me know by hitting the thumbs up button. Really helps out my channel, helps me to grow. Also, if you are new, stick around by clicking the red subscribe button and ringing the bell for notifications. Thank you guys so very much for watching, and I hope that you have a fantastic day. Take care.